Hello, friends. A warm welcome to everyone. Today, we have a special guest, Hesham, from Elys Network. Let's get started with Ecosystem Voice episode number 155.
So please, in a couple of sentences, you may introduce yourself, and we will proceed further.
Thank you very much. My name is Hesham. I'm a co-founder, growth lead, and marketing lead for Elys Network. It's a pleasure to be here. I wanted to thank the POSTHUMAN community for allowing me to speak with you today. This is very exciting because I know that you have been very loyal followers and participants of the Elys Network testnet, and as well as possibly investors as well in Elys. And so we're very glad to have you on board with us on our journey as we just launched mainnet on December 17th. So we have been building Elys Network for the last 2 years. We recognized that we needed to really improve the DeFi landscape by adding more functionality and also creating a more sustainable design to be able to capture kind of like the latest in innovation, as well as move past the initial challenges and hurdles of the previous iterations of DeFi. So we believe that we've taken all of the community input that has been passed to us over the past 2 years to build what we have at Elys Network today. So what you'll see when you connect to Elys Network, you have the full suite of DeFi functionality. You're going to have swaps, staking, which includes simple and liquid staking that'll be coming as we connect multiple chains. You'll have leverage LP, so you'll be able to take a leverage position on liquidity mining. You have regular liquidity mining, and then perpetual trades. In the future, we'll also be hooking up derivatives trading and adding AI capability, which allows you to take a more advanced management of your portfolio to be able to take advantage of some additional strategies. So we're very excited about this. Two of the things that we leverage for the Elys Network design.
Sorry for interrupting. That's like
Yes.
that's a little bit too much for one part. I will translate and we will proceed. Sorry.
Absolutely, thank you. So to continue with the description of Elys Network, or do you want me to go into a specific area or additional question?
For now, I ask community to provide any questions if they have some. But first of all, let's continue with Elys Network introduction.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have anything in particular to highlight, let's highlight also that. And then most likely, if you have something to share, for example, to share the screen, it would be like sweet. If you don't have, we may just proceed to further questions from the community.
Absolutely, that sounds great. So one of the things that I think Elys Network really takes advantage of as we move towards this new frontier of DeFi is we have two key features that allow us to be competitive in the space. The first is wallet abstraction, to allow you to log in using a social account, whether it be Google or X or a similar account, and chain abstraction, to allow you to have connectivity to multiple chains within the Web3 space. So you'll be connected through our Cosmos SDK chain, but you'll have access to Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. So that's a really great feature to allow you to access multiple chains at once. So at this point, I can do a demonstration of the app. You can go to app.elys.network. So I'll share my screen here.
Yeah, I just said that we have various options to proceed to like trading as like social accounts and wallets, and this allows way more broader audience to get access to like decentralized, like trading in decentralized manner.
Yeah, and this is really one of the things that the problems that we have tried to address within adoption for Web3 is a lot of people maybe struggle with the idea of creating a wallet and then maintaining security of that wallet. So obviously with the 12 or 24 word seed phrase or your private key, a lot of people may have difficulty if they're brand new and they're trying to learn crypto. So that's why we give them the option to use wallet abstraction. As you can see here on the screen, you can log in with a social account. So that's one of the examples. I think that's really one of the ways that we're trying to capture market share from centralized exchange users, or centralized exchanges, for example.
All right, that's quite interesting how it will work in the future. Can I ask a question real quick?
Yes, absolutely.
If a person gets into Elys, into trading using his, like, for example, Google account or X profile, will it be possible to switch from one to another? For example, if I used X for like my, let's say, account registration, and then I want to switch to 12 or 24 like words seed phrase, can I do this like transition seamlessly, or I have to like make another wallet or something?
Yes. So anytime you connect with any of these options, you'll have a separate wallet. So if you connect with Wallet, for example, here, connect with Wallet, you'll see you have options to connect with Kepler, Leap, MetaMask, or your Ledger. That will be the address associated with any of these wallets. If you're connecting with an email address or with Google, you will have an address associated with those. So each one of these is a different wallet. So that's, you can have multiple wallets. Just if you wanted to maybe interact with a different wallet, but you wanted to keep a different wallet and move from the other wallet, you could just transfer your Elys or transfer your tokens from one wallet to the next.
Okay, I see. I want to ask about how secure to store my assets using like social account. If I, for example, connected with X and like got some assets there, and how safe it is to like where my assets actually like exist.
So that's a great question. So we partner with Web3 Auth. They're a leading strategic partner within the Web3 space that is a safeguarder of that wallet. So for example, right now, if I log in into using the Google option, it'll produce a pop-up for me to log in, and I can set up multi-factor authentication if I want. Once I do that off screen, it's going to have a couple pop-ups. I'll be logged in. So you can see here when I'm on the dashboard in the wallet section, here is my wallet address. So you can see that right there. So Web3 Auth is the one that actually maintains the wallet for me, but it's connected to my Google account. They have a industry-leading security mechanism to prevent anybody from being able to access those keys. So it's essentially highly encrypted and split up those keys, so nobody would be able to access it.
Got it. Can you please jot down the name of this company in the chat, because I wasn't able to
Yes.
to get it, and I will translate this and we will proceed. I just added from myself that still, like, while it's declared as non-custodial, it is some like solutions where we have to rely on third party. It's not like the just accusation that you are not like safe or something. It's just like additional comment that in case we do not maintain and do not own our like own keys, that means that we don't own like assets fully, but still it's like trusted entity, and does all the stuff in like non-custodial manner with additional like encryption and stuff. And it's very good option for newcomers, for new generation of users to join Web3 in this manner, and then they able to like transfer all their assets to like their like newly generated address with like some wallet and stuff.
That is exactly correct. So if you are a new user and you want to get started quickly, you connect with a social account and you'll have that wallet created for you. And then when you become more of an advanced user, you could transfer those assets, or if you have a lot of assets, you could transfer them to a Ledger or a Kepler, create your own Kepler wallet and then transfer them there so that you can eliminate the concern of having that access through Web3 Auth. We trust Web3 Auth as a partner, especially for an entry level user, just so that they can get exposed to the crypto space. But for many of your community who are already familiar with how to access these chains, Kepler or Ledger or Leap are really probably familiar options for them to go ahead and connect.
Exactly. Yeah. All right. Let's. Can we walk through the options which are available at the moment and which will be available soon? Is it live? Application, is it live?
Yes, the application went live on December 17th. We had our token generation event, TGE. And we've been around for 5 days now for somebody to be able to use the swap and staking features so far, and liquidity mining. We'll be making the leverage LP and perpetual features available soon. Right now, we would just want to make sure the chain is stable and the app is stable before we roll out the additional features.
Absolutely.
So I can go through some of the features here. So once you're logged in, you can see the login process is very easy, like we demonstrated earlier. I'll start with the transfer button. So over here on the top, the transfer, if you want to add your funds, we will be adding a fiat on-ramp option. So you can use a credit card or bank account to bring your funds on using the buy crypto buttons. But for now, I'll demonstrate an IBC transfer. So that will be on the deposit crypto button. In this example, I have USDC. I can also bring in Akash or Atom or Celestia, etc. Obviously, we'll be adding more and more assets each week to the exchange. So in this example with USDC, I will I have 500 USDC on Noble Chain that I brought in from a centralized exchange. You could bring in USDC from various places, whether it be another decentralized exchange or centralized exchange. In this example, I'll go ahead and transfer 100 USDC from my Noble wallet over to Elys to bring it onto the DEX. So I'll hit transfer, confirm. This is using the Web3 wallet, which is why you don't see the Kepler pop-up. But if I was using Kepler, you would have a pop-up.
How does it work? Like I didn't get where USDC comes from. If it's on Noble, you connected with Kepler. Like where's the pop-up window?
So because I'm logged in with a Google account, the wallet is integrated into the app. The money that was the USDC that was on the Noble chain was already there that I had sent there from a centralized exchange from before.
Okay. So where did you get your wallet address for Noble USDC to deposit it from centralized exchange?
Okay, so this is the great part about having your wallet here. So when you select your wallet, you have your Elys wallet address. But when you go to the transfer button and you click on deposit crypto or withdraw crypto, you will the interface is smart enough to already recognize the wallet that's associated with your Elys wallet. So if you have Atom, it's going to find me my Atom address right here, my Cosmos address. If I'm using USDC, it's going to find me my Noble address for me. So it's the wallet that's associated with my Elys address. So just to demonstrate that here, this is a great link here. If you guys are familiar with this link, I could drop it in here too. This is a really, it's the Cosmos Rescue link. But for example, if I want to take this Noble address, convert it to my Elys address, you can see it's the same address, right? So this is a nice little converter link. I will drop it in here. So, and if anybody ever needs to be able to convert addresses, you have this link. It's very, very handy.
Sure.
This is done by Cosmos Rescue, and there's various other sites that allow you to do this as well.
All right.
So in that example, I transferred 100 USDC to the Elys chain, and now you can see it on the portfolio on the dashboard view here. You have USDC Noble, and you have 100 tokens. So from here, I have various options. I can click on Manage. This buy sell button will be the fiat on-ramp. So if I wanted to do the bank or credit cards, I can swap. So I can click on swap, and I'll have a swap page here. And then I can go onto the earn page to do staking here. So there's various options, and I can go into each one of those. I could probably start here on the swap page when you're ready.
All right, let's see how it works.
Okay, on the swap page, since I have 100 USDC, let's say I want to swap 10 USDC for Adam. I enter in the amount of USDC I want to swap. I can select the market order.
One sec,
Mm-hmm.
sorry. Where transfers are happening? Like where are liquidity pools?
Okay, if we want to take a look at the liquidity pools, that's on the earn page. And then earn liquidity mining, and you can see the pools here. So we have, these are the pools that are available right now. We'll continue to add more pools each week based on community requests and also just overall demand. So we're just adding the pools slowly just to make sure that we have all of the technical considerations taken care of before we add more pools.
I mean, all the liquidity is 100% on Elys Network, not on like Osmosis or any other chain. All swaps are happening on Elys, right?
Oh yes, all of the liquidity is on Elys chain. That's correct.
Okay, can you go back to the swap section? I will translate and then we will proceed. I will comment that I've seen that you showed there are multiple options to swap it whether it will be market order or limit order or like something else. Yeah, what else we have?
Okay. So in this example, I'll actually go back here. So yeah, I will place a market order to use 10 USDCs to swap to Atom. In this case, it calculates for me in a market order that's 1.51 Atom. I'll just keep it as market order for now. Although, like you mentioned, I can do a limit order, which I could demonstrate next. And then here, if I expand this, if I would like to see what the fees are, you can see I have a swap fee. I have a weight recovery reward, which is part of how our Smart Shield pools work to allow you to bring the pool back to 50-50. You can see I have no slippage because I'm actually balancing the pool, so there'd be no slippage. And then here's my expected result. So I will click on that to receive Atom. I will get a confirmation. And the swap is submitted. And then you'll see that it'll as it refreshes, I will see the order. So I'll also demonstrate a limit order. So I'll come back to that.
Later on, do you have this detailed feature description for the orders, which you said balancing pools like 50-50, where we get no slippage? Do you have any link to read how does this mechanism works?
Yes, we have a documentation repo on Gitbook, so I will post that link in here. Yeah, I'll drop it in. I'll drop it in right now. So there is our documentation repo. So same thing if I want to now try a limit order. Let's say I would like to do 10 USDC for Atom, but this time I would like to do a limit buy of Atom. So I'll set my limit at, I don't want to buy it. The current price is 663. So maybe I can set my limit at 660 and then I could send the order here. I'll do this for.
I just commented that it makes orders in a very, let's say, centralized exchange manner. So you can just set your limit order. Everything is happens as on centralized exchange. You can see all the details of this trade. You can even cancel this trade. And I also mentioned that everything happens without even having a wallet, because you use your Google account as your entry point. So that's why we don't have any pop-up confirmation windows. And yeah, that's basically, that's really interesting functionality to have, like centralized exchange in a decentralized manner. Yeah.
This is what we really love here. So you can create these limit orders. So you can see I have it open, and then I can leave the app and it will automatically execute at any time that the limit price is triggered. And then same thing if I want to sell. So this is really a nice feature. It's all done on chain. This is not used in order book yet. We will be using an order book feature probably next quarter. We're working on the order book.
All right. So I got a question about how does it help ecosystem at all, and how does it benefit to like Atom community and Cosmos community. And as far as I know, Elys is the shared partial set security chain on the hub. Is it correct?
That's correct. So one of the ways that we contribute to the Atom ecosystem is that we actually send 2.5% of overall system revenue goes back to the Cosmos Hub validators who are providing network security for Elys Network. That then gets distributed as rewards in USDC to the stakers who are staking with those validators. We have up to 40 validators that can participate in Elys Network security, which we're very proud to have POSTHUMAN as one of the validators and governors for Elys Network. So on the Earn tab, we have various features here. So the first thing I will demonstrate on the Earn, you can see we have simple staking, is USDC Earn is a USDC deposit pool for somebody to be able to stake so that a user can borrow against that USDC for margin positions, whether it be leverage LP or perpetual. So in this example, I will actually, let me start here. I will go to the APR. I'll take a look at the APR. You can see the USDC APR is 0 because we don't have any activity right now because perpetual and leverage LP are not active right now. But you can see we reward in Eden. So 45% APR right now. So because I have 80 USDC available in my wallet, which means that my Atom order is still pending. That's why it's showing 80. So I go to simple staking, manage, and let's go ahead and stake 10 USDC. I can stake that in there. Now, the USDC staking does not have a bonding period. So if I would like to withdraw or unstake my USDC, I can go ahead and unstake it anytime. So while I have my USDC staked here, you can see that I can accrue my rewards in USDC and Eden, and then at any time I can claim them. I can also do this from the dashboard page where I can claim my rewards for all of the things that I'm participating in. It will claim all of my rewards. But I'll come back to simple staking here. So that was a demonstration of USDC. I can also demonstrate Elys staking. So for that, I will need some more Elys. So here I will go and swap for Elys here. So you can see it's very simple. I'm just going to take a market order for 10 USDC to swap to Elys. You can see it's about 3 cents of slippage here. Receive my Elys.
It looks pretty like simple and straightforward.
Very straightforward. Here, so now I have some Elys here I can stake. I'm taking a look at the APR. And in this case, you see I have some USDC actually as part of this APR. 50% is Eden, that comes from the inflationary and bonus rewards from the chain. And then the USDC, which is 3% right now APR. And that's based on how many people are staking and how much activity is occurring on chain. But these rewards will actually accrue in USDC.
All right, so we can bond it for 14 days, right?
Yes, this one is a 14-day bonding. So I'll select my governor. I'm going to select POSTHUMAN. I will stake some Elys here and click stake. And again, because this is the Web3 auth wallet, that I don't get the Kepler pop-up. Instead, I get the confirm button. And it's submitted for staking. So now I'm staking 35 Elys with POSTHUMAN, and now I will begin accruing rewards for my staking here. Once I have accrued enough rewards, I can claim them here. Right now, obviously, I don't have too many rewards, but I'll go ahead and claim it. So I can obviously expand or contract these tiles here. I'll go ahead and claim the rewards just so we can demonstrate the next staking action here.
Quick question. Elys already connected to other chains, to other IBC chains. It works in and out. So, for example, if I want to trade some of my Elys tokens, or like, for example, if I trade my Elys or atoms to USDC, I can withdraw to Noble or Osmosis or any other chain, right?
That's correct. Right now, the Osmosis relayer is not active. I think somebody has probably started that connection, but that will be coming soon. But yes, so if you wanted to move your crypto to another chain, you hit withdraw crypto. So if I would like to withdraw some USDC back to my Noble wallet, I'll go ahead and withdraw some here. I have to confirm that I'm not transferring to a centralized exchange because, as you know, those funds can be lost if transferring to centralized exchange. And I'll transfer USDC. And now I've sent 10 USDC from Elys back to my Noble wallet.
Yeah. Can we also like briefly walk through like Eden? What's Eden and what this commitment means?
So Elys is unique within the Cosmos ecosystem because our staking reward is Eden. As you can see, when you are staking, whether you're participating in USDC Earn, Elys staking, or liquidity mining, your rewards will be paid to you in USDC and Eden. In this case, the Eden reward accrual is a representation of Elys, 1-to-1, so it's worth the same as Elys, but it requires vesting if you want to claim it. So when you receive your Eden by claiming rewards, by using the claim rewards button here, or you can claim rewards here as well on these tiles, you now have the option to either vest or stake your Eden. So in this example, since I have not staked any Eden before, I'll go ahead and stake all of my Eden. Actually, I'll actually do just half of it here. So I'll stake half of my Eden here.
Sorry for one quick thing. Basically, once we stake Eden, we stake Elys, like same.
It acts like Elys staking, except you are now staking just the rewards that you have from staking, but it does not have a 14-day bonding period. You can unstake it anytime. So this gives you actually more flexibility because your original Elys is still staking and you're earning Eden rewards, but every time you claim those Eden rewards, you can now stake those Eden rewards on the commitment side. When you stake those, you don't have to wait 14 days to unbond it. So it gives you more of like the benefit of something like a liquid stake. So when you do that also, you also earn something called Eden Boost. And with Eden Boost, which I don't have right now because I just began staking, if you are claiming rewards from your staking, you'll also earn an Eden Boost value, which you can then, under the manage screen, stake that to add a multiplier to the Eden that you have staked currently on your chain.
Do you have any like infographics visualizing that in docs or something? Yeah, let's break it down. Like, can you explain it like a 5? Like we have Elys, and Eden is a like value accrual token. It's 1-to-1 to Elys, but what's the difference?
The difference with Eden is it's not a tradable token, and it's not a token that you can send from one wallet to the next wallet. So if you want to convert it to Elys, you have to vest it. So here,
vested for how long?
Okay, so when you click the vest button, your Eden will convert to Elys over a 90-day vesting. So for example,
So sorry,
Yes.
I just got it. Like, sorry for interrupting. I just want to try to make it on my own. Now, for example, I have 10 Elys, so I can trade Elys. This 10 Elys, I can trade it, I can sell it, I can stake it, I can send it, like everything. If I have Eden, I have all the same functionality, except I cannot transfer it, I cannot sell it. If I want to convert it to Elys token, I have to vest it for 90 days, and it will be like proportionally being converted into Elys, right?
Yes. So for example, if I have 90 Eden and I select the vest button and I vest 90 Eden, I will be able to receive 1 Eden. I can redeem 1 Eden per one Elys per day for 90 days. So it's a linear schedule that you can unlock one. Yeah.
Sorry, really, it's very simple, and it's interesting token economics model. Yeah, I will translate and we will get back.
So yeah, so in that case, so in that example, I just trying to stake too much here. So in that example, if I have 90 Eden and I want to vest it for 90 Elys, that I can claim it once a day over, and get 1 Elys for over 90 days every day if I wanted to, or I could just wait anytime I want and just, over that period, redeem anytime I want. I'd have to use the redeem button. Eden Boost really is a great feature because it allows you and encourages you to continue staking your Eden more and more, as you'll earn a multiplier on your staking to accrue your staking rewards faster.
Interesting. So how does it work?
Every time, as you're staking Elys, every time you claim your Eden rewards, you'll receive Eden Boost. So when you go to stake your Eden, you'll also see Eden Boost appear in your wallet. Right now, since actually I have a small amount of Eden Boost here, since I had a small stake, I would then go ahead and stake my Eden Boost. I don't know, this is a very small amount, but then it would accelerate the rewards accrual that I have on my Eden staking.
Okay, so if I stake Elys, can you go to Eden? This tab, Eden. So I can. Oh, so if I stake my Eden for without any bonding period, for that I will get additional token as Eden Boost. And this Eden Boost, I can also stake it and get additional APR for depriving myself from selling, right?
Yes, the Eden Boost actually comes from the Elys staking. So every time you claim rewards, you'll receive some Eden Boost. And that is where you can stake the Eden Boost to accelerate your Eden staking.
Sorry, I didn't get for now. Let's clarify it also. If I stake Elys, or if I perform any activities on a platform, my rewards will be accrued in Eden token, right?
You'll receive Eden, USDC, and Eden Boost.
All right. So then I can also stake my Eden, right? As I would stake my Elys, same. It's just same thing.
Yes. So you can see that the APR for Eden staking is the same APR as Elys staking because it is the same staking reward. The difference is you can accelerate it if you are also adding Eden Boost staking.
All right. And where this Eden Boost is, it's another token. Can it be sold or exchanged, or it is only token utility token to increase my APR?
That's correct. It is not a mintable token. It is not, you cannot swap it. You cannot vest it. It is only there to multiply your staking rewards.
Do I lose my Eden Boost tokens if I unbond, or?
If you are vesting your Eden, yes, your Eden Boost, that's part of that Eden staking that's associated with that will go away. But if you are
Okay.
still, but it will always keep coming back every time you claim your Eden rewards from staking. You'll always receive more Eden boost.
Okay, it's a little bit complicated, but still. Okay. I will translate and we will proceed to questions. I just said that we getting additional, so basically if we have Elys and we stake Elys, we're getting rewards in Eden, which is equal to Elys. We're getting rewards in USDC, and as additional reward, we're getting Eden boost to multiply our rewards. And if we showing our commitment, we have this flywheel and getting more and more rewards there. And these rewards are also depend on the platform activity. If platform prospers, so we're getting more USDC rewards on the same amount of staked Elys.
That's correct. So that's the beauty of the USDC rewards, is that they're very sustainable. They're based on the activity on the platform. So you can see obviously why we're still bootstrapping the exchange. The USDC APR is low, and in the case of the USDC staking pool, the USDC is 0 because there is no borrowing right now because there's no perpetual or no leverage LP.
All right. So let's proceed to questions. We got a plenty.
And maybe while you're doing that, I'll very quickly just go to liquidity mining to demonstrate.
Absolutely.
If you want to add liquidity, it's very simple similar to what probably you've seen on other decentralized exchanges. But you can see our most active pools will be displayed for you at the top. But here on, for example, if I want to demonstrate adding liquidity to Atom USDC, I click on Add Liquidity. In this case, I have some Atom and I have some USDC, so I could just select all of my Atom if I want to add liquidity, and I can do the 50-50, or actually it will add in the ratio of this pool here, right? So 69 to 31. Or I could do a single asset add. So I go to single asset and just add only my Atom, which I could do there, so 1.5. And then it's automatically going to deposit it based on the pool ratio. So I'll go ahead and just deposit the 1.5. And now I have my Atom in the liquidity pool. I'm earning in this pool 88% right now, 88.44. You can see that 75% in Eden, and you can see the fees generating from trading activity on this pool. This is real. This is the actual fees generated by the pool activity is 6%. 5.99%. So it's a very active pool right now. So I'm earning 5.99% in USDC. So this is real USDC coming back to me in my wallet for participating in the liquidity pool.
Absolutely. All right. That's pretty easy.
And then last, I'll just finish with going back to the dashboard. Now that I've shown you all of the different staking, liquidity mining features here, we'll be adding leverage LP and perpetual soon. You can see on the dashboard, I have my liquid assets, my staked assets, my liquidity positions. So I can see all of my positions right here by looking at the dashboard. So I don't have to navigate all the different screens to see everything.
All right.
And I do have a question also in the text in the chat. Someone is asking, is it possible to ask questions here in text? I'm happy to answer as well in the text.
Yeah, so questions there are multiple questions. First question was, do you know that there is a rewards displaying problem in bonus block?
Bonus block, we have just activated the reward center yesterday. So if there are any bugs, I was not aware of them since we just opened it, but I can definitely collect those bugs and we can take them to bonus block to get those fixed. Do we know what the specific error is?
I will ask. Do you plan a delegation program, and how many validators you have at the moment and how many you plan to have?
Yes, we did conduct a delegation program. We already actually staked or delegated the Elys. So let me go ahead and bring up an Explorer here. So you can see the delegations were made on December 17th. You can see the list here of all of the governors who received their delegations. But we're very proud to see POSTHUMAN is number 5 as a governor. So POSTHUMAN did receive a tier delegation from Elys Network.
I just added that the delegation program one of the main requirements is to be Cosmos Hub validator, because it's like PSS chain.
Yes, we have governors that are also not validators, so they can qualify. They do qualify for the delegation, but as a validator, you are also earning additional rewards because you are also receiving 2.5% of the protocol revenue that comes to your validator, but then you're also receiving all of the commission from the staked Elys that goes to your governor.
So basically, I may be validator without having a validator on Cosmos.
You may be a governor without having a validator. To earn a delegation as a governor, you need to show active participation with Elys Network as a infrastructure provider, maybe RPC nodes, IBC relay, community support, etc. But those governors were selected based on their participation with the community and in testnet over the past 6 months. That we'll be doing the new rounds every 6 months or so to determine if we will be rebalancing the delegations to new applicants.
All right. Will you have something like OTC platform for those who want to, for example, trade their Eden to USDC directly and just skip West part?
Right now, we do not have a way to trade Eden for USDC because it's not a minted token. But in the future, if the community wants to raise governance to convert Eden as a trading token, we can consider it for sure, since that would be a community decision.
People complain about when you want to put your Eden in Vest, a transaction always fails. It happened when you tried to do so also, as I remember. And
Let's see. I believe this is right. That there is a problem right now that we're seeing. This was in the Vest function. Let's take a look. Let's see. Okay, my Vest appears to have worked, but let me check the Explorer. Can't. Vest. Okay, Vest or not.
I mean, most likely it happened and
so it is a gas issue. So I think we've actually passed this to our engineers, and they are working on this fix actually for the vesting. So hopefully we'll have this fixed in the next couple of days. I think if we can, it may if it's not a problem with the front end, it may require us to fix it. Oh, actually, it did work. So I just checked. Yeah, we have okay. So it just worked. Success.
But
so I think they fixed it today. Can your community members try it today? Or try it now to see if it worked?
Okay.
If somebody is still having any issues with the vesting, please let me know, and I'll go take that back to them, because I think they did just fix this.
We already commented IBC transfers to Osmosis, and yeah. Do you have plans for Osmosis liquidity pool?
Yes. So right now the plan is to grow the liquidity pool here on Elys. Once we have that liquidity pool grown, so right now we have 309,000 in the pool. That's the TVL. You see the breakdown there. So maybe when we get to maybe at least 500,000 or 1 million in the pool, I think that will be a large enough or deep enough pool for us to go ahead and open a new pool on Osmosis. Because we also have, keep in mind, 2 more liquidity pools on Gate and MEXC.
Is it any functionality except of staking for Eden Boost?
Beyond staking, no, that is the only function for Eden Boost right now.
So that was the last question from community, and the last one from me personally. What are your plan for the observable future?
Yeah, I want to say thank you to the entire community for those questions. I really enjoyed this, and being able to show the web app is something I really love to do because we had some technical difficulties in the beginning on the first day, but now we have really amazing speeds and really great features. And if there are any bugs that you want to report to us, I know there's probably still a few more bugs that we want to get fixed. Please do share them with us. Like I mentioned before, we will have the fiat on ramps. So you'll be able to connect a bank or credit card to immediately get your funds on. So something like MoonPay or uTorg or OnRamper. And then adding additional pools. So you'll see a lot more tokens coming, as well as adding multi-chain capability. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Tunchain, Avalanche, etc.
I just added from myself that also you in future you plan to release all the tabs which are not available yet, as perpetuals, leverage LP, and stats, and so on. That's kind of obvious.
Yes. Yeah, so the first one will be leverage LP, and then once that's good and we don't have any bugs with any of the interface, then it'll be perpetuals. And then you'll start to see the USDC APRs active on the USDC earn feature.
All right. The very last question from the community. What about, you have any comments on NFTs? How long these NFTs will have any functionality, and do you have any decisions on them? I didn't get fully, but do you have any features or functionality for NFTs?
Yes, so this is actually one of the great things about the NFTs. It's not just for the bonus for the airdrops that just occurred, but also for future tasks that are coming. So the NFTs also have a bonus that you will receive for the reward center. So I can actually let's see if I can show this here. I'll go ahead and go into bonus block. I'll just log in with the Kepler here. So, but you can see if you have an NFT, you'll be earning a 250% bonus for a gold NFT and then 100% bonus for a silver NFT. So in the reward center, the NFT is already giving you more value for the what you'll be earning by accomplishing the liquidity mining, staking, and swapping quests. And then we'll unlock additional features as we move forward. So the idea here is that your NFT is always going to be something that will give you something more than somebody who does not have the NFT, even after the airdrop.
So I just said, delivered all your comments related to NFTs, and I just want to thank you for being here, being with us, sharing with us all the exciting features on Elys platform, and sharing your plans, which are coming soon. Thank you for joining us. That's an honor for us, for our community. And we had just received so many insights and comments on the recent progress and future plans from the first person in the project. That's very adorable. That's really great. And thank you for joining us today.
Thank you very much for hosting me, and I appreciate all of the participation from the community. It's been an honor to be here. I look forward to being on with you in a future AMA, and I am excited to build with you going forward. So thank you again. And anytime you would like to send me a DM or ask me any questions, I'm always available. If I don't get to you, please, I'm on USA time, so I'm on Pacific time in USA. So I hope that if I don't get to you right away, I'll be able to get a chance to respond to you at some point. But again, thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you. again for joining.
Thank you again. Cheers.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.